Alright guys, just working on this old ream. Little tech tip, I guess if you will, on when you change the run cap. Sometimes, the original run cap's bigger and it tends to fall, it won't fit in the original hole. So sometimes what I do is, I'm going to avoid the wind noise from the condenser fan. You can see there I put like a little washer on one side and it just in the right spot to hold it, the run cap, hold it on that lip, and then on that side I use that original star lock washer there. And then of course I just had on these reams, the typical 3 for the original motor there, so I don't have the 50 plus 3 dual run cap. I'm not going to go to the ream supply store. Ain't no one got time for that. So that's just a little tech tip.
Yeah, back to Alaska. We love our cops, our law enforcement. We love our military, they're important. We love our cops, our law enforcement. We love our military, they're important. And when I'm in the jam, I know that I can call up the man, with a plan. When I'm on the run, all I gotta do is dial 911. We love our cops, our law enforcement. We love our military, they're important. We love our cops, our law enforcement. We love our military, they're important. And when I'm in a jam, I know that I can call up the man, with the plan. When I'm on the run, all I gotta do is dial 911. We love our cops, our law enforcement. We love our veterans, they're important. We love our cops, our law enforcement. We love our veterans, they're important. And when they're out at war, you know I appreciate them more, thank you Lord. When they keep us safe, you know they make America a better